Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share my thoughts on the Skytech Rampage Gaming PC. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. If you're looking for a powerhouse that can handle the latest games and more, this rig is definitely one to consider. First off, let's talk about the heart of this beast, the AMD Ryzen 7 7700X processor. With a base clock of 4.5 GHz and the capability to turbo boost up to 5.4 GHz, this CPU delivers exceptional performance. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, you can expect smooth and efficient processing that keeps up with demanding applications. Now, paired with the NVIDIA RTX 4060 Ti graphics card featuring 8 GB of GDDR6X memory, the graphics performance is nothing short of stellar. The graphics card handles modern games with ease, delivering high frame rates and stunning visuals at 1440p. Whether you're diving into AAA titles or indulging in some competitive gaming, this GPU provides an immersive experience with ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics. Storage 1 TB an issue either, as this gaming rig comes with a 2 TB SSD. This ensures lightning-fast load times and ample space for all your games, software, and media files. Coupled with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM at 5200 MHz, you can easily run multiple applications simultaneously without any hiccups. Cooling is also well taken care of with a 360mm AIO cooler. This not only helps maintain optimal temperatures during long gaming sessions but also contributes to a quieter operation, allowing you to enjoy your games without the distraction of excessive noise. A 750W Gold PSU ensures that you have reliable power delivery, with high efficiency to minimize waste and heat generation. Plus, with built-in Wi-Fi, connecting to the internet is seamless, and you won't have to worry about messy cables. Finally, the Windows 11 Home operating system gives you access to the latest features and optimizations designed to enhance your gaming experience. Overall, the Skytech Rampage Gaming PC is a fantastic choice for gamers who demand high performance and reliability. Its blend of powerful components, efficient cooling, and spacious storage makes it a top contender in the gaming PC market. If you're serious about gaming and want a machine that can handle anything you throw at it, this one should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. And if you're interested in grabbing this gaming powerhouse, check the link below for the best price available today.